the power behind AI, the metaverse, and tomorrow's technologies. Good day, everyone. Today, let's embark on a journey to one of the most transformative technologies of our time, the graphic processing unit, or GPU. Once used as a tool for gamers, GPUs have evolved into the powerhouse behind artificial intelligence, immersive realities, and the futuristic technologies reshaping our world. But this isn't just about technology. It's about us, the future engineers, architects, and the leaders who will guide this advancement. How did GPUs rise to prominence? Where are they taking us? And most importantly, how will we shape a future where these tools become more than machines and serve humanity's greater good? The birth of GPUs and their evolution. It all began with a simple goal to make games look better. Early GPUs were designed to handle intensive graphical workloads, creative smoother visuals, and enabling more realistic rendering. But as we pushed the boundaries of what was possible, GPUs revealed something unexpected, a raw computational power capable of transforming far more than just graphics. The game-changing moment came with the parallel processing. Unlike CPUs, which process tasks sequentially, GPUs work on thousands of tasks simultaneously, making them perfect for solving complex problems. NVIDIA's introduction of CUDA in 2006 unlocked the true potential of GPUs for general-purpose computing. This was a pivotal leap, turning GPUs into tools for scientific simulation, cryptography, and most importantly, AI. The role of GPUs in AI, fueling intelligence. Let's pause to think about AI. Training models, like neural networks, requires massive amounts of data processing, something CPUs simply couldn't handle. Efficient GPUs, however, thrive in these high-demand environments. Take self-driving cars for example. These vehicles rely on AI models trained using GPUs to recognize pedestrians, read traffic signs, and make split-second decisions. Without GPU, this level of real-time intelligence would remain a distant dream. In healthcare, GPUs have powered breakthrough in areas like drug discovery, where simulation that once took years can now be performed in weeks. In education, personalized tutors adapt to individual learning system, making education accessible to millions. These are just a few examples of how GPUs are not transforming technology, but improving lives. Accelerating into the future, digital twins, and the metaverse. Looking ahead, GPUs are set to drive two transformative concepts, digital twins and the metaverse. What is digital twins? Digital twins are virtual replicas of physical systems, from factories to entire class. Imagine a city optimizing its traffic flow or predicting infrastructure's failure using real-time data fed into the digital twin. This isn't science fiction, it's happening today, powered by GPUs capable of handling immense data streams. The next one is the metaverse. What is metaverse? The metaverse is perhaps the bolder frontier. It envisions an interconnected digital universe where people work, play, and socialize in immersive 3D environments. Achieving this requires GPUs to render lifelike visuals, process simultaneous interactions, and enable seamless real-time communication. GPU aren't just supporting the metaverse, they are beating hard that will make it real. The challenge of rapid advancement. While the future is bright, it's not without challenges. One major concern is sustainability. GPUs are energy hungry, and as their adoption grows, so does their environmental impact. This raises a critical question: how do we balance innovation with environmental responsibility? How do we design systems that are both powerful and efficient? Another challenge is accessibility. As GPU drive progress in AI and immersive technologies, there's a risk that the benefits remain confined to those with resources. This could widen existing inequalities. As future leaders, we must champion innovation that includes everyone, bridging gaps, not creating new ones. A future built on AI, autonomous vehicles, and advanced technologies. The technologies GPUs enables are not just tools, they are catalysts for transformation. Number 1. AI systems. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with humans to solve our toughest problems. From combating climate change to eradicating diseases, AI will redefine what's possible. Autonomous vehicles. GPUs enables vehicles to interpret their surroundings, paving the way for safer roads and reduced emissions, but the real potential lies in reshaping how we view transportation itself. From personal ownership to shared intelligent mobility systems. The metaverse and beyond. The metaverse offers more than escapism. It can redefine how we connect, collaborate, and create visual spaces that bring education to remote communities of immersive training for professionals and even preserve cultural heritage in ways we've never imagined. The responsibility of engineers and innovators, as exciting as these technologies are, they demand thoughtful leadership, ethics, and transparency. Who decide how AI models behave? How do we prevent bias or misuse? These questions aren't hypothetical. They are ours to answer. Environmental stewardship. How do we innovate the protecting planet? The answer lies in green technologies, efficient algorithms, and sustainable practices. In shaping society, we must ensure that the system will benefit humanity as a whole. Whether to education, healthcare, or accessibility, our focus should always be on creating a fair and equitable future. The GPU's journey from gaming hardware to cornerstone of AI, digital twins, and the metaverse is a testament of human ingenuity. But the real story is what comes next. As engineers and innovators, we're not just inheriting a legacy, we're building one. The decision we make today will determine whether these tools become a pathway to the brighter future or a reflection of unfulfilled potential. Let's choose wisely, dig boldly, and create a world where technology serves humanity highest aspiration. Thank you.